Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Kevin with Hooked on Vets, coming at you from San Antonio here in South Texas. Hey, listen, I'm really excited about the video today for a couple reasons. One, it's my first posted video. Two, I've just ordered a whole bunch of new camera and recording equipment to try and make this channel a little bit more easy on the eyes for you guys. So I'm really excited every time I get something in the mail to go out and try it. So today, I got my GoPro suction cup mount that I'm going to be using to make videos with the GoPro on the car, and got my old GoPro, my old Steady here, my Hero. I got a new GoPro coming in, the new Hero 5 Black that I'll be using to post some videos on. But today I'm excited because I get to use the suction cup mount and try out what these GoPros can do when mounted to the outside of a car while driving. So I'm going to go drive around the town a little bit, take some videos if I can. Traffic really sucks this time of year, and the weather is freaking beautiful, except for this stuff. That's right, guys, oak pollen, it's everywhere. It's mustard gas. Oh my gosh, it sucks out here. But listen, we're gonna forget that. We're gonna get some videos in the car. So real excited to bring this stuff to you guys. Can't wait to see you. Subscribe to Hooked on Vets today.